Hey everyone, this is Learning with Mr. Q. This video is part of a series on the FSA Math Practice Test questions. These questions can be found in the link in the description box, or you can do a Google search and type 4th grade FSA Math Practice questions. Now when you get to this question, number 17, and you just need a little review on how to answer this, just feel free to watch this video and I'll take you step by step through the process. So number 17 is just a multiple choice question, one answer. The question says the table shows the distance that Brianna ran on 4 days. So the data, the information is right in here. We can see the distance that Brianna ran for each of the 4 days. Now, the question is which comparison about the distance is true? So we're just really comparing these numbers that have decimals in it. And so letter A or bubble A says Monday's distance is equal to Wednesday. So if I write it out for Monday, I got Monday has 2 4/100ths, and Wednesday is 2 40/100ths. What you want to do is make sure you're just comparing starting from the greatest place value to the smallest. So the greatest place value would be right here in the ones. Well, they're the same. And then the tenths, they're not the same. So when it says it's equal, that can't be true because it's not the same. And if you look at it as money, I always like to relate this to money. You got $2.04, $2.40, and that's different, right? One is greater than the other. So they're not equal. So A is not it. Then we look at B. Tuesday's distance is less than Monday. So I'm going to look at Tuesday right here, right? Tuesday's distance is less than. So we got Monday is 2 4/100ths, and Tuesday is 2 37/100ths. So we want to see which is less. So starting from the greatest place value, so those are the same, the ones place value, and then the tenths is where we see a difference. So 2 37/100ths right here, or $2.37, well, that's greater. And that was Tuesday. So that Tuesday is greater than Monday. But they're saying Tuesday is less than Monday. So that can't be it, right? So if we look at letter C here, so actually let me change this. It would have been better if I put that as letter A, letter B, and then let's go here with letter C. It says Thursday's distance is less than Tuesday's distance. So Tuesday is 2 37/100ths. Thursday is 2 8/100ths. And they're saying Thursday is less than Tuesday. So starting with the ones place, they're the same. The tenths place, well, 2 37/100ths is greater, and 2 37/100ths is Tuesday. And we're comparing that to Thursday, but it says Thursday's distance is less. So this is Thursday, 2 8/100ths. They're saying that's less than Tuesday, which is 2 37/100ths. Well, that would be true, right? Thursday, right here, is less than Tuesday, right here. So we know that's a true statement. So we bubble that in. And just to confirm, we'll look at letter D. It says Thursday's distance is greater than Wednesday. So Wednesday is 2 40/100ths, and Thursday is 2 8/100ths, right? And so starting with the greatest place value, the ones, they're the same. The tenths is where we see a difference. And then 2 40/100ths, well, that would be greater than 2 8/100ths. And 2 40/100ths is Wednesday. But they're saying Thursday's distance is greater than Wednesday, but it's actually the opposite, right? Wednesday, right here, is greater than Thursday. So we know definitely the answer is C by comparing each of these numbers that have decimals. And when you have decimals, again, just go and start from the greatest place value, move your way to the right-hand side, right? Each time you want to start with the greatest place value and then continue moving to the right-hand side, which takes you to the smallest place value. Another tip would be is to just look at them as money, right? If you see every one of these numbers and relate it to money, which is something we're a little bit more familiar with and feel more confident in, then we can see which one has a greater value or lesser value, okay? Well, thank you so much for watching Learning with Mr. Q. I hope that helps.